kae KRA koni nyaka sani gi bandho muom maromo siling $1.4 mane osuru mapok ochul. Tend KRA mane loso kata mane loso Mombasa kata kamano koni kwanno kidek dok chien kalore gi chenro masani gichako mar wito oko moko kuom osuru ne moko kuom jogo mabiro oro kwayo makamano. Joja oko gi ler mathoth kowuok Mombasa.
Ne en sito ayanga mar wuoth masani tend duol mochung'ne choko oshure pacho ka KRA chano wuotho go e kor gwenge kalando injili mar ng'ado oko moko kuom osuru magibandho jopiny. Kane oloso Mombasa e nyasino, komishona mar duolno Rispa Simiyu koni nyaka sani gibandho gope maromo shillings $1.4 omwom makata kamano koni kidek dok chien kaluwore gi chenro magichakono mar ng'wono ne moko kuom jogo mabiro oro kwayo.
The 1.4 trillion, it is both principal tax, penalties and interest. Principal tax in that figure is 892 billion. Penalty and interest is 525 billion. So before the amnesty program, ordinarily what would happen is you pay the principal tax and then you apply for a waiver of the penalty and interest. And in applying for a waiver of penalty and interest, you have to put a lot of justification why you think you deserve the waiver.
Olero ni gimor gi kwan jogo manyaka sani osechwalo report motenore gi wach chudo mar ushuru e chenro mabiro rumo e giko dweni.
So far we are actually about 3 million in terms of those who have filed their returns, and we have, that is a growth looking at as of this time, looking at the growth of those who have filed that had not filed, it is a growth of over 16% over and above last year. So all those people have filed returns, and those are more than. So that is a lot of those who have already been filing their returns, but also those whom we are encouraging through this amnesty program to file, whether it is a nil return or it has a payable amount, because the only way you can communicate with the KRA for us to know your status and whether there is a tax due or payable or not, you must file your returns.
KRA gino choko shillings billion prabich e campaign masane gichakono.
In this period of the amnesty, which is just about 9 months, we are hoping to mobilize about 50 billion Kenya shillings. How far have we raised? How much have we raised? We've raised about 26.9 billion, round it off to 27 billion. But for those taxpayers who have actually taken up the amnesty, those who have shown interest is about 1 million taxpayers, having declared 38.5 billion as payable. But like I said, we've collected 26.9.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.